Cole is wrapping up the awning work. Last step is going to be pop on that solar panel, and then I think we can say the Ponderosa is officially done. Anything else after the solar panel?
Not too hard up, because if you're gonna hit the flat.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
What are you working on?
Hooking up the awning lights from the solar, and I have to anchor this wire somewhere. It can't just stay loose. So I just want to know what you think looks better. I'm either going to put this right here.
What do you think?
Either one of those is fine.
We're going to go right here on this edge, or it's going to go right up here.
I think that one is my choice. The only reason I say that, you just don't see the metal. So today on episode, I think we're episode 64 today, Cole is wrapping up the Ponderosa build. So the game plan with this awning is, okay, so to keep that front 8 inches from flapping in the wind, because it doesn't press right up against the body like the rest of the flap, Cole's gonna be securing that with a stainless screw, and then the first 8 inches of that awning flap is gonna get sealed up, no more leaking. What's that? Okay, so here's a little bit better look at this awning flap. Basically a squeegee that's gonna keep all the water from dripping down in between this awning that's mounted and down into your doorway. Cole's wrapping up the Ponderosa, finishing up all the awning, all the sealing that was going on out there. Frank's up to something over here. Frank, what are you up to?
I am wiring Scott's van and making sure everything is taken care of and checked off.
Okay, so he has put together basically all the wiring runs, all the fuse lists, everything that's going on in this build, every little circuit, its locations, and now he's roughing it in.
Yep. You want me to do something?
Pretty cool, man.
I know, right? The coolest. That's all I can think of.
Even cooler? So roughing right now, what's next? What follows roughing?
After this, so once I'm roughed in, they'll probably insulate.
You're kind of on pause, right?
Yeah, I'll be on pause, which will probably throw me into finishing. Once they're done painting, I'll probably be in those 2 builds and putting plugs in and all that stuff. So
while Frank wires away here, let's update some of the progress the guys have made.
yeah.
Okay, so on each of the walls, well, all the surfaces, all the flat big panel surfaces, it got this sound dampening material. So that's supposed to help with vibrations. That's the first layer for sound. Next goes our insulation, and then our wall panels. So this stuff is on the walls, the roof. That's it, eh?
Yeah.
And the wheel wells.
exactly.
This would be considered our base stage that it's at, getting all the insulation, wiring, and all the panel backing. So you saw the mat, you saw the vibration dampening. Also happening at our base stage is sealing and panel backing. So that's galvanized steel. That just gives us a solid edge to line up all our panels on. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right here, right on the ceiling. And then in some models, we'll have a vertical piece right here.
All they have is what? They go into that, you know that thing? In those things. I'm drawing a blank. Like the colored the colored folder thing. Yeah. Oh, the remote? Oh, I thought you were talking about the paper.
I'm just talking about this in general.
Okay, well the paper goes into Declan's spot over there, and then the remote goes into its box underneath my desk there. Lovely. Let me know when you need me. Man, I was a young boy. I don't know if the boys planned it, but they...
Is this allowed to be on camera?
I don't know. You could post it on there. I don't know if it's the official band name yet, but it's what the boys posted in our group chat, and it's Frankie and the Freaks.
So quick update, Frankie's a musician here.
I wouldn't say I'm a musician. I like
a modest musician. He has been asked to play in Modest Mouse.
once or twice.
Okay, so what was the name?
Frankie and the Freaks.
And how many freaks are there?
There's two. Well, we're all freaks. 3 of us are freaks, and I'm Frankie, I guess. Don't know if that's the name, but that's what they changed the Instagram group to, so I'm assuming.
So it's official right now.
It's official right now. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, what's this harness for right now?
This is Le Bison, or the Bison 2000A. And this harness has to get from here, has to travel back over to this area, up, over here, and around. But it does not reach, so I have to cut it and extend it.
I missed a vital step. Everything that we've been walking on, that's been done. So first layer is our blue skin. That's the waterproof membrane. Seals any fasteners that go through as well. Then we've got our insulation, 1.5 rigid, 3/4 inch LP. 3/4 inch subfloor, OSB tongue and groove. And then last up is our actual finished flooring. It's boring. I'll have to let him know. He's a drummer though.
I have to give you my